Hello everyone, welcome, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'm late, sorry. And also happy ending of Stranger Things. It was such a masterpiece. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change between systems or dual boot between different operating systems without shutdowning the Windows OS. Since the Windows OS is a little bit slow when you shut down it compared to others. So today I'm going to show you how to prevent that, and without shutdowning the window, I'm going to show you how to change between different operating systems. So let's get into it. Okay, uh, as you can see now, I'm logged in Windows operating system, and also I have opened some of applications, as you can see. And so the first step is going to be in order to switch between operating systems. So I have two operating systems. I did a dual boot on this PC, the one which is Ubuntu, my main OS, and the Windows OS, which I use to record videos and edit videos on it. So to change between operating systems without shutdowning your window, first of all you need to enable the hibernation option on your PC. I have made a video how to do that, so I'm going to put it around on the right corner around here. So click the video and you can watch that. So after you enable hibernation option, without closing any application, you can hibernate the PC, and you can change between different systems. So I'm going to have hibernate it and show you how to change between systems. So click hibernation. So my PC hibernated. So now after the hibernation of the Windows PC, you just waited to completely close the PC. As you can see, it's not closed. So after it's closed, you're going just normally click the power button and it will open, and you will choose between the operating system. So let me just wait it until it finishes the hibernation. Okay, and now it's hibernated completely. So just click the power button and the PC will normally boot. So wait it. Okay, it's booting. Enter the password. Okay, now it will ask you to choose between operating systems. So let me just wait it, and okay, here it is. So this is the grub menu, well, Linux's bootloader menu. uh, Basically it's Ubuntu's bootloader. So now you're going to choose between Windows and Ubuntu. So now I'm going to choose Ubuntu and click enter, and it will boot into Ubuntu's operating system. So we will wait that. So as you can see, I successfully logged in into Ubuntu's operating system without shutdowning the Windows PC, which means I hibernated it. So you can normally use your Linux, and if you want to switch to Windows, you're just going to shut down it. But the main problem here is you can't mount the Windows driver, which is if you go into disk analyzer and open the Windows PC, as you can see, it says unmounted. So the Windows PC is hibernated, so you can't mount this one. So that's the big problem here. So if you want to switch to Windows, you're just going to go to the terminal and shut down the PC normally. So type the password and you will shut down it. So normally after closing the Linux or Ubuntu operating system, we're just going to boot normally to Windows. So it will ask you the passwords again. Type. You may not have this password. I set it up by myself, so it's not available on computer, so don't worry, just type the password. Then when the Ubuntu's bootloader comes, you need to choose on Windows Boot Manager. So it will boot into Windows, but the Windows is not shut down, it just hibernated. So wait it, it will open more quickly than being shut down. So as you can see here, it's opening. So Windows is resuming, the apps and everything is available. So wait it a little bit. So now I successfully logged in into Windows operating system, and as you can see, my open apps are still running and the Windows hibernated successfully, and it did boot quickly than being shut down. So this is how you do it and how you change between different operating systems without shutdowning the Windows operating system. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Be family, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and bye bye. See you on the next video.